And this is a 6-foot tripod ladder I'm using, which is perfect for a 6 to 8 foot yew hedge. You can see the way I've got it flush against the side of the hedge. It's not always a case of trying to put the back leg in the hedge, but I'm just running it up sideways against the hedge, and that gets you right in close enough so that you're right up flush with the hedge. Right, so what I like about these ladders is the wide base at the bottom. This is a 10-foot ladder, and it's 4.5 feet wide at the base, and that's what gives us the great stability and allows you to climb up without any wobble and with no movement. And also the feet, the cup feet on the ladder are great. They're sort of slightly clawed on the bottom surface so that they grip into soft ground really well. And as you climb up the ladder, the steps are double runged, so it's not a flat solid surface like on normal step ladders. You've got a front and a back rung, which is great for grip, and it doesn't collect water or mud, so it doesn't get slippery when you're using it. And the main thing is it's got enough surface area to stand on, so it's much more comfortable to stand on for any length of time, even with great big shoes like mine. If you move to the front of the ladder, you can see the real star of the show, which is the adjustable back leg. At the moment it's on its shortest setting for the steps that we're on, but we're using this spring pin here. It just slides out and extends there, so there's 4 holes in the back of this leg, which basically give you 2 feet of adjustment in 6-inch stops, so you can adjust it for slopes and for steps and for hills.